Hello, welcome back. In our last lecture, we looked at HTML style, how to style your page using HTML style. Okay, so HTML doesn't have much, you can't do much styling when it comes to HTML. It's normally done with the CSS, but then you can cheat your way using some small inline CSS to style your HTML page. But I strongly recommend for professionality, I strongly recommend using the CSS. So one thing after this HTML, we will dive much deeper into the CSS language and how to use it to style your web pages. Okay, so in this section, I want to look at the HTML images. I think we've done some previous, I brushed on the images in our previous lectures. So images enhance visual appearance of the web pages by making them more interesting and colorful. The IMG tag is used to insert images in the HTML document. It is an empty element and contains attributes only. You know what that means. So the syntax for IMG tag can be, so you have the IMG tag, the SRC, which is the attribute, and then the value is the URL, and the unified resource locator, where the image is located. So if the image is in the folder, you put the name of the image, bring the name of the folder first, then the image slash the image, then alternative, that's the ART. So each image must carry at least two attributes, the SRC attribute and the alt attribute. That's the alternative attribute. The SRC attribute tells the browser where to find the image. Its value is the URL for the image file, whereas the alt attribute provides an alternative text for the image if it is unavailable or cannot be displayed for some reason. So each value should be a meaningful subtitle of the image. So if the image is an orange, we put an alt value of orange. If the image is a car, we put an alt attribute of car. So that even if the image doesn't show on the page, the one viewing the page knows that, okay, this is a car image is supposed to show, but for some reason the car image is not showing. Okay, setting the width and height of an image. Okay, the width and height attributes are used to specify the width and height of an image. The values of these attributes are interpreted in pixels by default. So you have the IMG, the source, the sky.jpg, the alternative Fahrenheit with a width of 300 and height of 300. So let's jump to our code and see some examples. Okay, so by default this is the width and height of my image. Okay, so I think with the text editor when you click on the image, it shows here. You can view the image inside your web browser, so inside your text editor. So it is telling us here that the width is 500 and then the height is what, 271. You can see it from the pixels. You can see it from the text editor. So supposing I want to increase or reduce the width. Okay, so let's increase the width, because we know that by default the width is 500 and the height is 281. So let's increase the width. Okay, so the way we do this is we don't edit the image. Yes, if you have if you are doing a professional website, you can let a graphic designer work on your images for you. But for simplicity or for adjustments, you can just specify the width inside the IMG tag and to work perfectly. So you can add the width. By default it's 500, so you want to increase it. Let's increase it to 800. And by default it's in pixels, so the browser knows that when it's 800, the browser knows that it's 800 pixels. You don't need to add the pixels. So let's save, and you can see that the width of the image has increased. Okay, let's also add more height. Okay, so by default our height is 281. So let's make it 300. Let's make our height 300. save. So you can see it from here. If you manage to increase the width and height of our page, sorry, of the image with the inline attribute of the image tag for the image tag. Okay, so you can go online, get some images and try them on your own. If you have any question, please put it on the comment section of this lecture and I'll be there to address them for you. So this is what you can also use the style attribute to specify width and height of the image. It prevents style sheets from changing the image size accidentally, since inline CSS has the highest priority. Okay, so this works when you're using the CSS to specify the image. When you use the CSS to specify the width and height of an image, you can then come back and still use the inline CSS to specify the width and height of that same image. But the advantage and disadvantage is that when you use the CSS to specify the image, you usually do it once and to run across all your images. But then there's still an inline style attribute of the width and height. The one with the inline attributes of the width and height will be given much more priority. I know I might not get my understanding right now, but then when we start with the CSS, I'll make sure I come back to this particular lecture and then I'll draw your attention to what I was explaining earlier. Okay, note, it's a good practice to specify both the width and height attributes of an image so that the browser can allocate that much of space for the image before it is downloaded. Otherwise, image loading may cause distortion or flicker if in your web pages. Okay, so now let's look at HTML tables. How to represent a table on your web page. I'm sure you visit a website with table on it. Okay, so let's look at how to represent a table on our web page. Alright, see you in the next lecture.